Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a 3D of an apartment building or any other building which has typical floor plans very easily within 10 to 15 minutes in SketchUp. So let's start. I have made this rough AutoCAD typical floor plan of the building. It has a central typical core and typical plan flats on each sides. So first I'll import this CAD file to SketchUp. You can see I have already done that. You can do it from here. I have here already made the surface, but you will need to do that by drawing lines like these. Now what I have done here is I have already made this part as a group. So you need to select the walls and make it a group. Then we'll go inside this group and extrude the walls to a height of say 3000. I'll just erase these extra lines over here. Now next after this what you need to do is to make this group a component by right clicking on it, and then you have to select make component. So here I have already made it a component. So I'll anyways explode it and show you once again how you can make a component. You just have to select the entire thing, and you have to right click on it and then make group and then make component. That's it. So that's done. So now what you can see that it's made a component, and now you need to copy this component also on the other side. So you can do it by selecting the move tool and then the control button, and now you have to mirror it by scaling it to scale factor -1. So that's done. You can see here it has been copied on the other side. Now the next thing that we need to do is to make a slab. So let's just quickly draw a slab over these by drawing these lines. I'm drawing it above, but once the surface is made, I'm going to convert it into a group and component, and then I will move it to the base. So here I'm trying to do that quickly by drawing these lines, and after I'm done making the slab, I'll just move it to the base, and I'll also add the extras that are including the balconies and everything. So I'm just doing that. I'll move it to the base now. And yes friends, if you have any queries or if you have any doubts on how you should copy or mirror objects in SketchUp, I have already made my earlier videos regarding that. So please don't forget to watch it if you have any queries about how to mirror the object or how to copy the object multiple number of times. So there are already videos made on these topics, so please do watch those videos also. So now I'll extend this part of the surface, that the staircase part which was already missing in the slab. So I'm just doing that, and this balcony surface also I'll add it to this plan. And here you can see that the surface is made, and this side also I'll do the same thing. Now once the surface is made, what you have to do is you have to select the surface and extrude it to say the thickness of the slab, that is, let's consider it 150 mm. So you can now see that the slab has also been made. So the slab is ready. Now for the upper floor, we will select these and copy it to desired height. Because we have typical floor plans, so I'll just select these, select the move tool and then control on the keyboard, and I'll copy it to the desired height. I'm considering it 3150, including the height of the slab, that is 150 mm. And now you want it to be copied multiple number of times, so press the desired number of floors and multiplication sign and enter. So I have typed here 6 star, that is 6 floors. So now I'll also copy this slab once again to the top for the roof. So you just need to do that. So now you can see that your flats and the slab is ready. Now after this, what I'm going to do is about the windows. You need to create windows, so you have to go inside any of these components and create rectangles on the surfaces with of course correct dimensions. I'm just doing it uh, without any dimension, but you will have to do that with dimensions whatever you have. So then you have to push these rectangles inward till the inner wall, and you can see that windows have been made throughout the building. Yet I haven't completed making the windows, but once it is done, you can see that as I'm drawing it, even you can also see that it is simultaneously being made in the upper floors also, because since we are working in a component, so that is very obvious that if you are editing anything in one of the component, that would be also edited in other components. So simply this way you can make the windows in throughout the building by just you just have to do that in one of the components, and you can see that it has been made throughout in the entire building. So this was very simple, making windows. Now let's make parapet of the balcony. So in this also you need to make this parapet only inside one of these slab component, and it will be automatically made in all the floors. So I'll just make the parapet here over here in this slab, and just I'm doing that. You need to have a little of patience because I'm doing it and showing it to you that how it can be actually made. So uh, what's important is that, friends, you should realize that working in components is really very easy, and it is going to help you a lot. You'll have to work only once. You don't have to make the same changes in all the floors, all the flats. So component is really very helpful. So here I'll extrude it to see 900, and see here you can see that this balcony parapet has been made in almost all the floors. And for the upper terrace, now since you need parapet everywhere on this terrace floor, and since it is all components, so you need to make this component as unique. So for this you have to just right click on this component and make unique. This is actually very important, friends, because if you don't do that, the changes that will be made to this component will also be made to the other components that are already there, because all the slabs are components. So this is important, making it unique. If you don't make it unique, you'll have many problems further. You'll see that the changes have been made in other components too. So that is very important. So now you can see that the parapet has also been made and it is ready. Now friends, coming to the materials, that is also very easy using components, because you'll need to apply materials only to any one of the component, and it will obviously automatically get applied throughout the building. So let's come to materials. Let's say we want to give this particular color to this part of the flat, and then let's leave the rest of the walls like say white. So I'm just applying this white color to the other walls. and the same pink color on this wall and the white color on this wall again. So from here the select and yeah, so now you can see your 3D is almost ready and you can complete it in detail further. So guys, if you like this video, do leave a comment and do subscribe for more videos. Thank you.